The F1E5 code on a KitchenAid microwave indicates a problem with the inverter board, which is typically caused by a defective inverter board. To fix this issue, the inverter board needs to be replaced. This process begins with unplugging the microwave, then opening the oven and removing the turntable and support. Next, the screws holding the mounting flanges to the cabinet should be undone, allowing the microwave to be removed from the cabinet. The top panel must then be removed, followed by the inverter board's vent cover, and the inverter board's wires should be disconnected along with the grounding wire. The inverter board can now be removed, and the grounding wire should be secured to the new board. The new board is then snapped into place. The inverter board's wires are reconnected, and the vent cover is snapped back into place and secured with the retainer. The top panel is reattached and secured with screws. The microwave is slid back into its cabinet space and secured with mounting screws, and the support and turntable are replaced. Finally, the microwave can be plugged back in and checked to see if the F1E5 code persists.